exhaust.
I was gonna say, you gotta speak louder, man. I can't hear anything. Guys, we are here with Giri with his cock loud Polo 6. He's gonna tell us one thing that he hates about his car.
Also guys, one thing I hate about the car, you can't get traction on this thing, as you'll see.
Okay, but if it was stock, what's one thing you hate about the car in general?
Probably the fact that there's always gearbox problems.
Okay, gearbox problems.
Yeah.
Now, what's one thing you love about this car?
The fact that it's not stock would be my exhaust. It's car loud. But aside from that, it's a pocket rocket. When it comes to on the road, you can nip in and out easily.
There you go. That's the one thing the Polo GTI has over the Golf.
100%.
And they can't argue that. In traffic, we will drive them away.
100%.
There we go. This thing sounds good. The exhaust doesn't annoy you.
Sometimes, but not
I
really.
kind of love it.
But it's only if I'm hanging.